Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve Pinterest more like this glitch on Samsung. To know how to fix or how to solve Pinterest more like this glitch on Samsung, you should just go to settings like this, we click. After that, in this page, we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Pinterest here and you will enter. Then in this page, as you see here, you will go to click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to storage. After that, you will click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And when you will end all this, as you see here, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.